Samsung Galaxy S21 Fan Edition full list of specs and the launch date alongside with the pricing detail has been confirmed. Also in the leaks, the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, which pricing has also been shared on Twitter. And finally, we have some brand new leak for the Galaxy S22 Ultra naming alongside with its pricing detail, memory and color option for the base and the plus model for the S22 series. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. So guys, as you already know that since from October we are hearing reports about the S21 FE, so it's finally going to be happening in the month of January. And to be precise, there has been a leak which pointed out that we are expected to see the device to be launched on January 4, and there is literally less than a month remaining. All the spec sheet of the device has already been, but this new list has been confirmed by Samsung itself. So starting from the display of the S21 FE, it will be coming with a 6.4-inch of dynamic AMOLED Full HD plus 120Hz of refresh rate display. Alongside with that, it's coming with a 32 megapixel of a selfie camera. Also, we are going to see Exynos 2100 and Snapdragon 888 with 6 and 8 GB of RAM and 128 or 256 GB of internal storage. Triple camera setup is on the back side with 12 megapixel main, 12 megapixel ultra wide and an 8 megapixel telephoto camera with 3x of optical zoom is supported. As far as the charging speed is concerned, it's coming with a 25 watt of fast wide charging, 15 watt of wireless charging support, IP68 water resistance is also there, and Android 12 support out of the box will be coming with the S21 FE. As far as the pricing is concerned, it's expected to be coming with a $700 of a price tag, which is definitely going to be the same pricing for the Galaxy S20 FE, but I hope that Samsung will be lowering down the price of the S21 FE as compared to the S22 series, which was launching soon after the launch of the S21 FE. So hope the pricing might be lower as compared to the $700. Anyhow, moving forward towards the next news, we have some brand new leak. According to the leak coming from the source, indicates that the upcoming Tab S8 Ultra will be having lower prices as compared to the previous leak, which could be around $1,400. But according to this new leak, we are expected to see $1,178 of a price tag for the Tab S8 Ultra, which is definitely going to be even lower price as compared to the previous leak. It is expected to be launched alongside with the S21 FE, but I think we may see different dates for the launch of the Tab S8 Ultra. And here moving forward, we have some brand new leak for the Galaxy S22 Ultra and the S22 and the S22 Plus models for the Galaxy S series. Well, the latest report suggests that the phone will not only get the stylus but will have a reunited with the moniker as well. That's right, the biggest Samsung flagship of upcoming series might be called as the Galaxy S22 Note. The rumor comes from a Twitter leakster Frontron who has been correct with Samsung leaks in the past. Their memory and color options has been leaked. This information has been coming from a tipster Snoobertech from Twitter, which claiming to have info from retailer which revealed that there is no significant change in the S22 and S22 Plus when it compared to the S21 devices, both the vanilla and the Plus model. But anyhow, according to the leakster, we are going to see 8GB, 12GB RAM variant for base model and 16GB option reserved for the S22 Ultra. Also, he believes that the Galaxy S22 and S22 Plus will be coming with the black, white, pink, gold and green color option, whereas the S22 Ultra will be coming with two color options like black and white variant, as well as with the third option being the dark red. There are also going to be a difference in the storage option. Well, we are going to see the S22 and S22 Plus coming with 128 256GB of storage, whereas the S22 Ultra will be coming with 256GB and 512GB of storage. So guys, all in all, I am super excited about the next year because some amazing new devices coming from Samsung. Hopefully Samsung will bring some more innovation in their devices and we could find even better devices in better deals. And you let me know your thoughts. What do you think about these new devices that are launching in the next year? Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to the channel for daily tech video. Peace.